video. Hi guys. Oh, there's water.
Hello.
Hi. Oh no.
Today we're gonna go swimming. You want?
Yes. Show me something. Hi, Anna. Woo. Whoa. Is that for real?
Yes.
Or a joke? Oh, be careful, huh? Be careful, Yana. It's slippery.
Alright, hello. Wanna go swimming?
Yeah.
Alright, first, follow me.
Follow you. Woohoo. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, Yana. Wait. Yes, I did. Very nice, Kobe. Okay. Ready, Anna? Slide for life. 1, 2, 3, go! What about you? What can you show us? What can you show us? Oh, right there. All right. 1. What's that? What was that? Some kind of fish? Oh.
Oh no!
Uy! Ay! Okay ka lang? Yan na? Ano masakit?
Wala!
Wala?
Okay.
Okay, be careful. It's slippery yata.
You wanna go there? It's cool.
You have scratches. Where? Yana, what are you doing? Hop, cut! The Little Mermaid.
Ano, maganda ba?
Oh, yes, dugong. Ay, mermaid.
Ito na!
What are you doing ba?
Ano, ata?
Hold on tight ha, kasi baka mas slip yung...
Have you tried seeing me going there?
Not yet. Show us. Woo! Swim from there to there. Go, Yana. Woo! Swim from there. When you jump, you swim. Yes. Wow, Kobe, you know how to float na. Very good.
Ang sama yung ganap. Swimming lesson.
It's great.
Hey,
It's good for you.
hey. Look up to the...
I hope Yana, are you gonna have some swimming lesson? Huh? Swimming lesson, Yana? With Tita Vanji? Oh, careful!
Tita! Tita!
Yes. Great job.
I'm excited! Whoa!
Oh, good job. You're gonna get wet, Yana. The camera. Good job, Mr. Lopez.
I'm tired.
You're tired. That's the L sign.
Oh, no, guys!
Yana, be careful there!
Hi! 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh. That's a bomb. So, Yana. Oh, dead. Oh, wait. Yana got new game. Bang. Oh, beautiful. Nice head. That's a great shot, huh? Okay, cut.